What is the term programming language mean? Which language should a beginner choose to start their coding journey? This video will answer these two questions. Working with computer requires a means of communication, but instead of spoken language, we need programming language to instruct the computer on what task it should perform. There are range of languages such as Java, Python, C, C++. Now you might be wondering which language should a beginner choose to start their coding journey. But the answer is simple. Pick any one language that the computer can understand. Now let's dive into the technical definition of programming language. Programming language is a formal system of rules and instructions that the computer can understand and execute. Here rules are essentially syntax. For instance, when declaring a variable, first should write data type followed by variable name, then assigning operator, and finally assign value to that variable, and the statement concludes with semicolon. Coming to instructions or directives to the computer. For instance, if the given number is divisible by 2 and the remainder or result equals to 0, print that the number is a even number. Otherwise, print that the number is a odd number. Now, see this piece of code which is written in Java. Now, here I am going to check whether the given number is a even number or odd number. Here I am taking input as 2. Now, let me execute this. Here now observe it has given output as 2 is a even number. I hope you have understood.